Well, on today's adventure, guess whose car just broke down, and this is what it looks like where I'm at. Okay. Good morning. We have survived. I was told about the gang wars out here, and I didn't know. And it is 7 degrees Fahrenheit today, so the van barely turned on. It cranked. Luckily, the battery was okay, but it cranked. It had a hard time, actually. So, luckily, we got her going. I'm letting her warm up, and then we're going to go ahead and hit the road because I can't stay sitting here any longer. So, let's go. Today we are enlisting the North Face slippers because these look like they will be a lot warmer. I have not used them in the cold yet. Probably the coldest it's been for me. My eyes are watering. My lock was frozen solid, but the gas just finished. I gotta get out of here. Unfortunately, the windshield is very dirty right now, but I still want to get a little video, I guess, going across this bridge in Nipigon, home of 3 degrees and a frozen fuel cap. I'm probably leaking fuel right now too, just because I wasn't able to get the cap all the way back on after. So anyway, enjoy the bridge. We're crossing it. It's pretty over here actually too, so let's check that out. But it is dirty, very dirty. So all right, I think I gotta make this turn. Dude, imagine being this guy. Wait, he's working next to a lake, it's windy, it's 3 degrees, and he just stands there all day. Are you kidding me? Oh, Canada. Even by my house, we just have those electric flagger things. You don't need a human being out here in the 3 degrees of cold. I mean, he might like the job, but I don't think he does. So we just made it through another tiny town, the first kind of town I've seen in a minute here. But there is no gas. We still have gas right now. We're doing okay, but when you get out into these weird spots like this where there's literally nothing, you think, I need gas every time I see gas. So we're gonna keep going, keep trekking. I've got gas in the gas can, and it's just been snow and ice and wind all day. It's currently 0 degrees outside. All right, so we have made it to... I'm really bad at this, huh? I am a bad travel guy. Just a second. All right, so we have made it actually to Long Lake, Canada here, Ontario, eh? And gotta pull over. I've got to do some work for a few minutes before I get going, but I had to get some fuel. This is what fuel looks like when you're out here in the middle of nowhere. You kind of end up at these little stations like that, and you'll miss them if you're not watching. If you don't know what you're looking for, you'll miss them, and then there will be no gas. This is the last fuel for 200 miles, I think is what they said, so I'm going to be pushing it. But anyway, there we are. This is great timing. I'm probably overheating. I can smell the coolant, but I can't get off the road yet. And just like that, we have lost, I believe, the alternator belt because we're broke down and overheated. So I got to get towed. This is what it looks like where I'm broke down. It's literally 5 degrees outside, and this is where I break down. So I'm happy. I'm good. I'm 3 hours from a city. Somebody's coming to get me. We're gonna be okay, and then we'll diagnose whatever is going on under this seat at the engine in a minute. So let's just keep our optimism up. I'm being saved right now, so you guys want to see? This is me getting saved here in Canada. So sometimes your car breaks down. Mine did. So this is Scott's Towing. They're here to pick me up. He's got a nice accent, and we'll see how this goes. It'll be fine. Next time you see this van, it's gonna be up on the back of that. I do not like this one bit climbing up this mountain. not like it one bit. But here we go. Look, I'm on top of the world. Well, here we are. Yeah, here we are. My little monster coming up in Northern Ontario. We are on our way to Hurst. Got the tow truck, or the flatbed, I guess it's a tow truck, and we're moving. It's weird to see how tiny the van is on the back of this, honestly. You'd think my van seems kind of big, but then you get it on the back of a big flatbed and it's not very big at all. So we're moving. At least we're making progress, so this is good. So we have arrived at Vince's Auto Repair. He has got my belts on order. Tomorrow we're gonna see what we can do, but for now, Scott and I didn't even ask, your name's Scott, huh? Yes. I would imagine with being Scott's Towing. Scott and I, and actually my name was almost Scott. I was Scott for one day and my mom changed it to Brent. Oh, yeah.
Thought better of it.
Yeah, anyway, I'm here. We're gonna drop this off and hopefully have good news tomorrow that it's an easy fix. I might even jump out actually when we get it unloaded. I'll probably lift up the seat and have a look at the engine and see if I can't quickly identify what's going on. But here we are. Here we are. We have made it to Hurst. We are 100 miles closer and $1,000 broker so far. We haven't even done repairs. So got the van coming down, and I probably am going to have to get in there in a minute. Well, not probably. I am going to have to get in there in just a minute. It's not good. And it's really cold. Probably ready. I'm gonna have to go do this, so bye. Oh boy. Well, this is her not final resting place. This is till tomorrow. Hopefully just till tomorrow. But I'm freezing. It is so cold. I am shaking. Alright, so in a shocking turn of events, this is now a hotel trip. Here's my hotel room. Very fancy, very classy. This is the beautiful city of Hurst, Canada. Beautiful place. Indoor pool. I'm gonna go find out about that. Yeah, my RV is there. I'll show you. And yeah, hopefully we get it fixed tomorrow. We'll see. It's really cold though. I feel like I'm purple. Like, what a great hotel room, Brent. Why would you take this hotel room? Well, let me show you. Let me show you why I picked this little sweetie. Because look, all we do is zoom in here. Look, the shop and my little baby's over there. That's actually a pretty good zoom. But yeah, there we are. We are in full Peru gear. And we are gonna go suffer the cold and find some food here in Hurst, real blue collar town, Canada. So, see how it goes. It actually felt a little colder before. It's not that bad now that maybe it's because I'm ready for it this time. But I guess John's is closed, so there's the wind. That is what makes it cold, it's the wind. John's is closed, so they told me to run over here to the restaurant bar. Check it out, I guess. It's day 2 in Hurst. Still freezing. I'm walking over to the mechanic now, see if what's broken. It's a little bit warmer, not much, still freezing. But the plan here is go see what belts are actually missing and see if we can make a game plan. I'm pretty sure this is just a belts thing. I'm hoping that's all it is. We're gonna find out. Almost there. Here's what we're looking at belt-wise. So, yeah, we don't have the parts, but that's what we need. That's what's going on. And we don't know what's going on as far as, is it the pulley? Why did it do this? We don't know, because the belts are in there, which is good, but not good, so we'll see. All right, well, we're on the Trans-Canada still. I'm just walking it. Now I'm in the beautiful city of Hurst. Oh, what a beautiful place. Everybody here very helpful, very thoughtful. My tow truck guy was cool. That's a start. But yeah, you can't get a rental car. You can't do anything here. So I basically live here now. So we will be posting all Hurst content from here on out. and I will never leave. This is my place. Now we'll see. I don't know. We're waiting on the shop still. They said that they can't get the car into the shop because it's too cold. I don't know. It's a riot. It's -5. All right, so quick update. It is the crank balance harmonizer that has gone out, which means right now the belts are okay. We could drive. I could probably get to Timmins, but that same problem could just happen again. So I ordered one, and we are waiting for it to come. And then once it is here, then we'll be back and moving. But it's gonna be a week, so cross your fingers. We're leaving the van there for a couple of days. He's gonna move it in at night. It's getting to be like -30 in March right now, so I do want to get out of Hurst still. I will say that. All right, so we are back at Tim Hortons, Canada's best. I think today we're gonna go with something more like either a breakfast sandwich or a bowl of chili, because guess what? I'm frozen solid. So we're gonna go a little bit warmer. The blue cheese looks pretty good. That is good because I had it. And of course, birthday cake Timbits. That's where I live. So let's see what we find. This ice cap's looking a little more cappy than icy, which is probably good, but I'm not a huge coffee drinker. But we do have still the paper straw, so it should be good. They didn't have chili, so that's kind of an issue. All right, so I am in the car with Devin, who is rescuing me. We've been a little bit stranded the last couple of days on this RV and that, so we're gonna, what?
It's been a long couple of days.
It's been a long couple of days, but we're gonna head back to Hurst. They've got the parts. We're gonna go get things fixed. I appreciate you taking me in and taking care of me and all of that, but yeah, he's been a rock star, saving me from Hurst, taking me to not be in Hurst, anywhere but Hurst, and we're gonna head back to Hurst now. The parts are in, and see if we can't get things fixed. Woo! Look at that little guy. He's all cleaned up. He's actually not cleaned up, but he's here and he's running. Devin, what do you think?
I'm happy to get rid of you.
Oh, me too. Okay, let's go see this. She's running like a top. All right, so we're here.
We're brothers.
Yeah, look, we're wearing the same clothes. Yes.
I gotta go.
All right, we're gonna go pay, and
I got a meeting.
let me give you the key.
So
All right.
this came into your casing slowly.
So it just
The
split and
plastic-
started pushing it.
No, the plastic was worn out. It didn't touch the belt. I just took all the plastic out, so you don't see the hole.
Yeah.
But if once you put it out, there's
Yeah, a
some
ring.
missing, but all this was grinding.
Yeah.
So you still have some pieces, and I'm pretty sure the oil's it's from the crank seal.
Yeah.
So-
All right, so Devin's helping me move stuff. The van is running. She runs well. Everything feels good. This is like a miracle that this is all worked out the way it's worked out. We're at the Pulp Farms. I've got my coffee crisp. I've got my Canadian, and yeah, we got the car back. So she's running real nice. She's a real swell driver. Yeah, no, I'm stoked. Everything seems to be like perfect again. The only thing that sucks is there are Swedish Fish Ghost energy drinks in my carpet now. Other than that, we're gonna probably get it cleaned up tomorrow. Go get to the hotel and that, get my Timbits stickers going, and work and try and make money so I can pay to be stuck here. So anyway, I appreciate everything you've done for me. Nomad Devin.
My pleasure, I guess.
All right, we're finally here. We're back in the van. It feels pretty crazy, honestly, to be back and going on our drive again. We're gonna go to Timmins today, where we're gonna do an oil change, get the car cleaned out and that, and then we're gonna head on and see where we end up. So today, we're shooting for Timmins. I got a lot of work to do too, so here we go. I feel like I wasn't in Hurst if I don't show the moose and the wolves and the moose and the wolves. And then we're gonna go over, we'll see where it says Hurst. There it is, it says Hurst. So we got the moose and the wolves, and we're in Hurst. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Let's get out of here. It's not every day you see a UFO, huh, Tom? Here we are in Moonbeam, Canada, And, all right, so we have made it to Timmins, and oh, there he is.
I'm in a better mood today.
Devin's here, and he's awake, and he's caffeinated. He's got that TTRS there. We're going to do some stuff, I think, right? Are we still going to wash and stuff?
Yeah, we'll still wash it, do an oil change.
Wash,
Tour of the big city.
oil change, tour of the big city up here north. So, yeah, that's the plan. All right, so we're at, what's the name? Uniglass.
Z-Bart.
Yes, in Timmins. And this is a pretty cool place, actually. They have all the cool lights, and they're remodeling right now. But we're going to do all of the cleaning in here and an oil change. And
Stop it.
yeah, I'm not filming.
No, I can't talk.
All right, so we're going to start with a pre-soak. And you've got iron and tar removers.
Yeah,
We're gonna-
that'll clean most of it up, and then we'll give it a good scrub. Hopefully, knock some of the salt off of it.
Do you have... All cleaned up, ready to go, so I can get it dirty again, essentially. If Emran were here, he would put tire shine on everything now. That's the next step in Emran's thing. But we have a pretty clean little unit here. So yeah, we're gonna get it out.
It's got the stance going.
Little bubbles out of this one. All right, we are here at the McIntyre Mine Headframe, very famous place in Timmins, Ontario, Canada. So I'm getting my tour, and I'm just not gonna die. All right, so now I've got a construction worker under the car. We're just doing a quick oil change. Oh boy. All right, just like that, it's a wrap. Got the windows all clean, got the car all clean. We did the oil change. Tomorrow, we're gonna keep going. All right, so we found Devin. Let's say goodnight. Let's say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
I would do the same for a friend.
No idea. Oh, thanks. All right, another successful Planet Fitness stay. What a beautiful hotel. great shower and that. So we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna head south, and look at that Canadian beautiful flag just flowing in the wind. So it's actually not flowing. It's a little bit flowing. So we're gonna get out of here. All right, so we have made it to Earl the buffalo, or bison. There are no buffalo in North America. They're all bison. So we are driving through the storm now. A little bit of a storm here, about 150 kilometers out from North Bay. Had a nice shower this morning in Timmins, and yeah, we're moving along. It's pretty hard to pass some of these trucks going slow, going uphill is the only time I get a chance, but other than that, we're having a good day. I'm realizing though that this travel video, I don't stop at a lot of cool places to show you guys and go walk around and narrate, but this is Canada. I mean, I don't know. It's my experience, I guess, through my eyes. You're kind of seeing what I see, so hopefully you're enjoying it. So when I was with Devin, he gave me a list of things. He said, make sure you do this, that, this. I've only missed 2 so far. We got the buffalo, the bison, and now we've got the bridge. All right, so tonight we are at Montana's, doing Montana stuff. We're gonna figure out if Montana's in Canada is more Montana than a Montana license plate on my car. Yeah, so we're gonna try that out. Montana's nachos. I wonder if the meat's from Montana. I have so many questions.